Alright, after a long time we're gonna make a regular video. The time is 9:33. We're outside Paphos Beach Hotel. It's the first hotel on the seafront from Yeroskipou area towards Paphos area. The temperature is at 31 degrees at this time of the morning. For sure it's been hot for whole August and all July. The weather just been extremely hot. Had some heat waves, which is normal anyways. It's not because of any climate crisis and so on. It's normal heat waves we get every year. Some days are very hot, reaching like 40 degrees in the like on the mountain, like on the not on the seaside, I mean on the further up, like in Nicosia for example, or Larnaca, even Paphos. Paphos is by the beach, so we have a lot of humidity, and with temperatures around 35, 36, 38 degrees. We are outside from the Paphos Cyprus Hotels, and we will drive all the way to the harbour. Early morning, 15th of August today, 2023, 15th of August. It's Assumption Day of Virgin Mary. It's also national holiday especially for Cyprus and from Greece, for all the Greeks. It's also when they start the locals will start our holidays. 15th of August usually up to, depends. Some people they just do a few days of holidays. Some people they might do like 2 weeks and start back to going to work in September. But usually it's between 15th of August to 20th of August. It's like holidays time. Today most of the shops and everything is closed. Of course the restaurants and so are open. But some bakery, or I mean not bakery, supermarkets or some retail shops, they will be closed for today. This is the tallest building in Paphos right at the moment, on the right. Don't know how many floors it is. 1, 2, 3, I don't know. I know they requested the second building like so tall. They requested to make another building, so it looks like we're gonna start slowly. Buildings like Limassol, not something we like, the locals. It's gonna cover the whole sea, cover the the nice views of Paphos. I mean, it's enough. We have all the hotels by the sea anyways. So now I have to even taller building is not something we want to. Alexander the Great we just passed on the left. This is Almira Spa and Beach Hotel on the left. I will try to upload this video today. It's a 5K video. Hopefully it won't take too much time processing on YouTube, so it should be up and running hopefully today, at least for the 4K quality or for the full HD. Okay, here the construction, the road work still going on. They start before the season, and it looks like they're gonna end after the season is already finished. Here a lot of roadworks going on still. I'm not planning to open the road to the harbour anyways. It'll be stay for pedestrians. go around so we can reach the harbor. Let's see, it's on the left open, it's also closed. It's closed. But you have to make a whole round just to get to the harbor. Yeah, this is a bar street on early morning. Kind of busy in the nights, of course. I mean, the what shop stays open. Many bars and stuff closed. It's only like the Flares, it's Robin Hood, it's Rainbow, the underground nightclub, and here karaoke, some fast foods, Paphos. Notorious not open yet. On the left, it was burned down when it was venues, club, and it's still like that. There's a tattoo here, open on in the night, waiting for some drunk people to go and make tattoo probably. I don't know what they're expecting. I don't know if people after drink they go and get a tattoo. But if they open with that logic, that means there's people who do it. I'll be recording for 7 minutes. Let's go faster to the harbor. The harbor been very busy last month or so, but I don't think that this time will be too many people. Still early. Usually after 10:30, 11 o'clock, and the evening especially, there's a lot of people walking by the harbor. It's come a bit early. But there may be some people, not crazy. We're still in the season. A lot of tourists around. July, August is a high season. Start from June usually. But usually July is when most people visit Cyprus. Okay, let's stop here. Avoid the weather. It's been hot, of course, but the cloud has been kind of blurred. Like we still have some dust from usually comes from Egypt when it's windy. It's been windy last 3-4 days. Surprisingly windy. Of course, it's Oka, so we get kind of this kind of weather. Like some days it's insomnia, and some other days you might get a lot of wind. When we get the wind in the summertime, we do get a lot of sand coming from Egypt, from Sahara Desert. watch, I saw an article like yesterday. It was about to say something about that this sand we get, it has some metallic things inside, and it's not good for health. It's bad for like for heart and stuff. I don't know if this is really the truth, or it's just they want to scare us more for the climate crisis. Suppose the climate crisis, I don't believe it. Anyways, but it said something about that this sand has some metallic material, whatever inside, that it's causing you know, problems with the heart if you inhale it. Okay, we're at the harbor. Sea looks lovely. As I said, it's still early, 9:45, so not so many people. Usually it's packed of people here in the evenings. Of course now it's hot, it's very early morning. Okay, 9:45, I know for some of you it's not early morning, but it could be, it is when you're in, like, let's say in a holiday mood. Okay, let's show the harbor. Just the camera. All right. Of course, you can't tell when there's tourists walking around without shirts. Of course, it is hot weather. What do you expect? Harbour, the promenade road. Okay, I guess that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. You can also join the channel, become a member, help us grow, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, let's do a second video. Kings Avenue more in front of us. Now the first video was from Yeroskipou, from the Paphos Cyprus1Click Seafront Hotels actually, all the way to the harbor. This video now it's from the Kings Avenue Mall to Pano Paphos. The time it's 9:49. Temperature the car shows 30 degrees Celsius. Of course it's hot if you stay under the sun. And today it's August 15, 2023. Drive towards Pano Paphos to Yeroskipou. It's a national holiday today, the Assumption Day of Virgin Mary. As you can see, even a lot of drive was closed. Another one, the new supermarkets are closed today, and many retail shops are closed. I don't know in the mall if in the whole mall it's closed or it's something open. Many people go to the church today, or in the monastery. I mean, you know, for the church. Yeah? Okay, this is road that connects Kato Paphos with Pano Paphos. It was closed for a long time and it's reopened. Pass a lot of cables and things under. You can see the street. This is Arcade Square now here. Plateau on the right, Boulevard and Noir on the left. Plateau it's a sushi bar, Boulevard it's a bistro wine bar, and Noir it's like a wine bar also, like sometimes you have a live Greek music, like someone playing with a guitar or someone singing. Noir it's a tapas and bar, is what they are say on their logo. Paphos 2023 signs on the front. European capital. European capital of smart tourists. I don't know what really they mean by smart tourism. What was really the purpose? When I was thinking about smart city, I was thinking that it's gonna be, you know, more technology available, like touchscreens and stuff, like directories for tourists to come, you know, find things around. I do have many ideas, things that they could build, but don't have the time to get them into action right now. Okay, looks like that. I mean, it's a holiday today, national holiday, most of the business closed. Most people today, they are at the lunchtime, they will make souvla. You know, souvla is a Cyprus kebab, big kebab. I will do it later with my family, and all the families, they do like that. Sit down, and another excuse to eat souvla to celebrate summer Easter, they call it some people today. It's like Easter of summer. Because of the Kimmisi Theotokos, Assumption of Virgin Mary. We say it's when the Panayiota and Mary, Virgin Mary, when her body went to heaven. It's unusual quiet at this time. It is because of the shops, retail shops, most business is closed, so people maybe took the chance to, you know, prepare for the lunch or sleep.